Hi guys, wishing you all a very happy new year, and I'm back with my health tips again. And this is the best time to start with your health journey, with your fitness journey, and the best way to start with is detox. And I recently posted about the detox program that we were having for the New Year's and to lose and shell out the post New Year's weight. And I got many inquiries for it, and this was a short 10-day detox program that we were starting. But along with that, I also realized that detox or fast diet remedies or fast effects are something that don't really last for a long time. So this detox program is mainly focused on getting you on that journey, getting you on that healthy eating and healthy exercise and the healthy mindset, and getting you off that laziness which keeps pulling you back from starting on that journey. So this is mainly to get you focused on that, and when you lose your first 2 to 3 kgs, it's another boost to make sure that you're consistent with that journey. But detox is a deep word, and detox is something that you can do with your day-to-day routines, with your day-to-day meals, and detox is something that you can do all 365 days of the year. Even if you're cheating, even if you're trying to maintain a healthy diet. So detox is something that it needs to be a part of your day-to-day life. So when you do these short courses with me, short programs with me, what is important is you continue with the routines. And today in this video, I'm going to tell you 3 things which can be a part of your day-to-day detox. The first thing is, of course, intermittent fasting, and I wanted to teach how to do intermittent fasting better and in detail, and that is what the detox program is about. But today in this video, I'm going to tell why intermittent fasting helps you detox. So when you do intermittent fasting, autophagy happens really well in your body. It is one of the best ways for cellular cleansing, and intermittent fasting will help you detox on a day-to-day basis. So if you're doing 16 hours fast every day and about 18 or 20 hours fast even once a week, that itself acts as one of the best anti-aging effects on your skin, and one of the best detox. The second way to detox your body is by having a healthy fat the first thing in the morning. So you can have your butter coffee, you can have your warm water and coconut oil, you can have ghee and warm water the first thing in the morning. That itself acts as one of the best cleansing agents in the body. And the third thing to detox is oil pulling, and oil pulling is something which should be a part of your basic everyday routine. When you wake up, take a little bit of coconut oil in your mouth and squish it for about 15 to 20 minutes, and that is where literally detox starts. It starts from your mouth, it starts from the bacteria and the germs which are built over the period of night in your mouth. And when you do oil pulling, you actually feel amazing, your oral health is great, and you can kickstart your day. So these are my best 3 tips for detoxing day to day, every day, and there's no time limit to this. So these 3 habits need to be a part of your day-to-day lifestyle, and like we always say, it's never just a diet, it's always a lifestyle. So stay healthy, stay fit, stay grateful, and stay blessed.